Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO X5 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of your POCO X5 Pro and receive Next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, you need to tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to POCO. From here you can finally click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to select all of those files and then transfer them. You can also just click on the chosen ones. Then click on Send next to selected. In this pop-up, here's some tip: you need to select Got it and then pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android located next to Input key. Now allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to enter this 6-digit key though, you need to tap on Input key section instead, then type in all of those numbers and connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!